a safe trade. I'm a 100% risk-free trade. That's what Vinny wants right now. He's never going to join it. And he doesn't need to, personally. He doesn't need to, because we all know that he's a fucking failure. He can't trade. He's shit the bed. And he shouldn't even be asking for thousands of dollars for that Mickey Mouse shit he calls Algo Box. Anyone joining that Robbins Cup, okay, I'm going to tell you how to place. I'm going to tell you how to do well and beat everybody else that's ever been in it. Don't trade more than 3 times that week. When you make money, stop. Don't look at the leaderboard, and don't talk about what you want to do. Don't go on social media. Don't even mention it. Don't tell your friends or your family that you're entering it. It's private. Because that competition is a mindfuck. It is a scrambler for confidence. It's a scrambler for taking you out of your thought process, your protocols, your model, your approach, your trading plan, because you'll get wrapped up in the idea of, if I lose my position I have right now, people are going to have this opinion of me. And what happens if I don't get a real good head start in the beginning of the year? Somebody might be able to come up. Or if I get a real good head start in the beginning of the year, it'll just crush the spirits of anybody else, and they won't really try. Dude, there's people all year long going in that. You can join it like right now. Like right now, you can join it for this year. It's an open invitation all year long, all year round. You can do it. My opinion, okay, again, and this is by contrast, I fail if I don't take Larry Williams' record. That's what my opinion is about my trading for next year. If I don't take that record down, even if I'm in the first place at the end of the year, I failed it. And I won't do it again. I'll accept that loss and I won't do it again. And Larry Williams will remain the victor in terms of the highest percentage. I know at the very minimum, I'm going to be the second highest. In my head, if I have something that throws me off, I will still be the highest next to him that's right beneath him, which I think if my memory serves me correct, you only have to do 1,400% and you're the second highest ever. I think the guy that did win 4 times, which is a Larry Williams student, by the way, he has the second highest. I think it's like 1,300% or whatever. But there was a young man that, when I say young man, but I don't know, he could be older than me, right? He had like a 300% return a year ago or so. But I watched him. He was in the highest position, beating out the gentleman that has done it 4 times, that has the second highest to Larry Williams.